What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're on our 90 Fox and we're going to do a paint correction and sealing. Reese is going to walk us through the process and I'm going to dive right in.
Okay, so this is my 90 Fox. It's original EP Vermilion paint. It's from 90, so it's pretty old. I've painted the front and rear bumpers, so as you can see, that's what the paint should look like. It's pretty oxidized and it's seen a lot of sun over the years. So I'm going to start by cleaning it and doing a clay bar to get off any bonded contaminants, and then I'm going to take it in the building and I'll be doing some paint correction on it. So that's what we'll be running through here now.
All right, well let's get this process going. All right, what do you have going on here now?
All right, well now I'm on the clay barring step, so I just take this clay here and I'm running it along the paint with water as a lubricant to keep it safe. And lots of contaminants such as tree sap, road grime, that kind of stuff will get stuck to the paint to where just a hand wash won't get it off. So before we buff it and grind that stuff in, we use a clay bar to pull it out and keep the paint nice and clean.
Okay, you're going around doing the whole car now?
Yep. Get it nice and strip free of any oils and things stuck to the paint. Just gotta keep turning it over and keep it clean.
Oh, okay.
Go along and take off any things that are stuck to the paint.
Okay, see we got some taping going on here. What's that about? Why are you taping it?
Well, I'm going to be running the buffer here for cut and buff now, so I just want to protect the trim anywhere that's going to be touching paint, so I don't hit it with the buffer.
Okay, and the windshield, still got to do that?
Yeah, I'm working along. I'm going to end up painting some of this, so I'm not too worried about it. But...
Okay. Well, with the buffing process, we're in the middle building now. Keep dirt and whatnot off, so you need a clean area, no wind and bugs and dirt. So
I'm just about to start buffing here. Got this dual action buffer that I like to use, and it's not too bad with single stage paint, so I'm just going to start with this ultra finishing polish and then coat it with the synthetic sealant. And in between I use isopropyl alcohol, and it's good for cleaning the paint off to get anything out.
Okay, here's what we started with. Remember, single stage paint, no clear coat, and boom, look at that. Wow, look at that paint. That looks like there's clear coat on there. So shiny and deep. Unbelievable. I'm really impressed with how this has come out. Okay, of course you guys probably recognize this clip from the intro video. Of course I had to steal this video. Look at the paint, it looks so clear coat and deep. I mean, I'm just blown away how, oh, hi hobos. This is our cat Hobo. Wow, okay. So the paint came out awesome. I had to use that clip. So anyways, next time we see this car, we're gonna dive into the blower build. Just wanted to show you guys how it got there. You know, the wheels obviously from the intro, the nice paint. This car's looking sharp, so I'm excited for the blower build. We're gonna dive right into that next time you see this car. Take care.